I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with my second Eid makeup look for this year. So my last tutorial was more wearable and simple, so for this look I wanted it to be more extravagant. That's why I did a red and golden spotlight smoky eyes. And this video is very special for me because I have collaborated with a few other talented makeup artists and YouTubers of Bangladesh. So don't forget to check out their channels. I will list all of their links on my description bar. For this video, I have collaborated with Wasifa Ahmed from Sifa's Corner, Nuzuma Sama from Makeup Magic with Nuz, Wasifa Chowdhury, and Fahmida Ahmed. So yeah, if you wanna know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. As my face was feeling really dehydrated, that's why I started off with a face mask. And afterwards, I applied some under eye pads while I did my brows, and for my brows I used the focallure eyebrow pencil in the shade 02. And to carve out my brows, I'm using some concealer. And to blend out the edges of the concealer, I'm using a tiny Real Techniques beauty blender. Now let's start the face makeup. So first I'll start by color correcting my face, and for that I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and Kralin Paint Stick in the shade FS24. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation and the Elegant Pro Coverage HD Foundation. First I'm applying the foundation with a brush, and then with the Real Techniques beauty blender I'm blending everything out. I know my foundation shade is not matching my face because I just came back from a trip, that's why I got really tan. So let's not even talk about the situation of my face right now. So yeah, now for concealing, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C11. And with that same tiny beauty blender, I'm blending everything out. Now to set all that base, I'm taking the RCma No Color Translucent Powder. And almost immediately I'm dusting off the excess powder. Now let's start the eye makeup. For that, first I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the really golden shimmery highlight shade, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone first. Now as a transition shade, I'm taking a single eyeshadow from Flormar. This is a orangish reddish kind of a shade, and this is gonna work as my transition shade. And I'm applying it all over my crease, all the way from my inner corner up to my outer corner and my lower lashes as well. Now as an eyeshadow base, I am taking the Kona by Farnaz liquid lipstick in the shade Passionate. First I am applying it on my eyelids, and with a dense blending brush I am blending out the edges. I am doing the same on my lower lashes as well. And on top of that base, I am taking a red eyeshadow and I am packing that color onto my eyelids and my lower lash line. Going back to that orange shade, I am going to blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Now from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am taking the shade Jax and I am applying it on my inner and outer corners and a little bit on my lower lash line. Here with a concealer, I'm going to carve out the crease. And on that halo part, I'm taking a coppery golden kind of a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm applying it on top of that concealer. Now here comes the fun part. I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals glitter. This is in the shade Diamond Dust and I'm applying it on top of that golden shadow. And with that red shade, I'm blending out the edges. Now for mascara, I'm taking the Golden Rose Maxim as mascara. On my waterline, I'm taking a nude eye pencil from Absolute New York. And going back to that same highlight shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Now for contouring, I'm taking the Rimmel Kate Moss contouring kit and I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheekbones, jawline and the sides of my forehead and a little bit on my nose as well. For falsies, I'm taking the Ardell false lashes in the style 251. Here I'm highlighting my nose bridge and my cupid's bow. And for blush, I'm taking the City Color blush palette and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Here comes the fun part, the highlighting. For that, I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz Twinkling Star highlighter. I'm applying it on the top of my cheekbones, chin and the sides of my forehead. And to set all of that makeup and to make my face look even more dewy, I'm applying some MAC Fix Plus. And for lipsticks, I mixed 3 of them. First, I applied the Kona by Farnaz liquid lipstick in the shade Illusion. And on the middle part, I applied a really light shade from NYX. I don't remember the shade number, I will list it in the description bar. And I applied a gloss on top. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.